నిజంగానే పోలీసులు అడిగితే డిగ్గి చూపించట్లేదని అనిపించింది. సో మీకు ఎలాంటి కామెంట్స్ అండ్ ఎలాంటి కాల్స్ వచ్చాయి ఆ టైంలో? మీ ఫ్యామిలీ నిజంగా
Shweta, she did it. It was her idea anamata. We were supposed to do it in Hyderabad, but we did it in Chennai, so it felt even more real because I was not in much makeup and I was in my casual attire. So andarni call chesi naku, even my mom called me and she was like, "Are you okay? Why did you get in trouble with the police?" I said, "No, it's just promotion for Paru." A lot of people called me and it did the job very well. Thank you so much, Z team. You have done a fantastic job. And thank you so much, Z, for picking up this project as well. You guys have brought up a lot of good shows. Even Talai Nagaram in Tamil. Talemai Sayalagam in Tamil is doing very, very well. Everybody is talking about it. I wish you guys all the very best for all the future projects.
సో దీని తర్వాత నాకు తెలిసి అర్థమైపోయి ఉంటుంది మిమ్మల్ని ఎవరు నిజంగా లవ్ చేస్తున్నారు, ఎవరు కన్సర్న్ చూపిస్తున్నారు, ఎవరు కేర్ చేస్తున్నారు అని అర్థమై ఉంటుంది ఆ కాల్స్తో, ఆ రోజు వచ్చిన కాల్స్తో. అండ్ ఇంకొక విషయం, జనరల్లీ మీ కార్ బ్యాక్ సైడ్ ఏముంటాయి, ఏం పెడుతుంటారు డిక్కీలో? నావైతే షూస్ ఉంటాయి. ఏముంటాయి?
Lot of trash.
ఓకే,
All bottles, water bottles.
బాటిల్స్ అనగానే వాళ్ళు రాయడానికి ఓకే, పాయింట్ నోట్ చేసుకోండి, వాటర్ బాటిల్స్.
Choosing a subject like this is even more trickier. So thank you so much for your courage. You're actually my inspiration inside and outside the cinema industry. Thank you so much. I really look up to you. And thank you, Sharanya Garu. Whenever we needed you, you were always there and you're one call away from me. So thank you so much. Coming to Sid and Raj. యాక్చువల్గా ఇది ముందు నేను ఒక వెబ్ సిరీస్ చేశాను హిందీలో. I was just telling them that it was very difficult for me to watch it and understand it. ఎందుకంటే చాలా ఈజీగా you get lost in the narrative because it's very long. Sometimes it's non-linear. It's very, very difficult to catch up with the story, even for actors being in it. But Siddharth and Raj, you've done a fantastic job. I never got lost as Dolly. I was always in my character. I blindly trusted both of you and it's come out very, very beautifully. Paru is one project I'll always be proud of as an actor. So thank you so much, Siddharth, for giving me Dolly. And the biggest strength for Paru is the cast and crew, for sure. The entire direction department, I'm very, very thankful to all of you, ADs. I'm sorry, I think we worked a lot. So Andariki, direction department, you did a great job. Vidya Sagar, camera, he also did a great job. He came towards the end, but he killed it. Our first segment's cameraman also, Shivendra Garu, he also did a fantastic job. I really enjoyed working with him. And Pranita, you killed it, loved it. Chandu Garu, welcome back to the industry. Babji, Moin Garu, you did a great job. Everybody will remember your character when you're done with it. Even Amit's character is very good. Avi, thank you so much. He's played my brother in the series. Bindu Garu, you've done a fantastic job. Looking at Dolly, sometimes it makes me wonder if I'm a good person or not. One takeaway from Dolly is, please be patient in life. అవసరంగా ఏం డెసిషన్ తీసుకోకూడదు అని ఐ లర్న్డ్. అండ్ నరేష్ గారు, you're actually him. You're exactly Sudhir's character. You've done a fantastic job and thank you so much. I was very, very, very grateful to be part of Paru. This will always be embarked in my heart forever and I wish you all the best. If you can pull off web series like this, movies will be cakewalk for you and you'll be getting a lot of calls. And remember me. Thank you so much, Varun Garu, for being on stage and congratulations on getting married. And thank you so much and please do watch Paru. All of you will enjoy it and let us know how you liked it. And thank you to my team. Thank you.
Thank you so much.